Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and in this video I will show you that how we can upgrade or install latest Windows 11 25 H2 through the simple way forward. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to open the Chrome browser, then type Windows 11 download. Once you type it, then click on it, then scroll down it, then select the ISO, confirm, then select the language, English United States. Maybe in your case language is different, so you have to select accordingly. English United States, just confirm it. So sometime it happens, you will get error, so in that case you have to try it again. Select the language, confirm, and now you have the 64-bit download. So you have to click onto the download. Once you click onto the download, downloading will be started instantly. So I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. So we have to go onto the downloads. Copy or cut this ISO. Go into the C drive. Then create a folder. Win. Then paste it. So now you have to extract here. So it would take a little time, 10 to 20 seconds. So I'm going to stop this video, otherwise video will get longer. So it has been extracted, and now we have to open the PowerShell, run as administrator. Now you have to type cd double dot. We need to navigate the C drive. So now we are in the C drive. So CD, inside the C drive we have a folder, win, dir. So now you have to type dot /, then hit enter. Setup will be started instantly. You can see that. Now you have to click onto the get update option. So it is highly recommended you have to keep check this option, but in my case, in order to save the time, I am just going to click onto the not right now, but you have to keep checked on this option. It is recommended. Hit next. So we are getting a few things ready. So it would take a little time, maybe 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Now it is checking the PC, your PC. So now you have the license agreement, so you have to accept it. Now we are going to upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11, so we are going to keep files, settings and apps as it is. So if you want to check any other option, or if you want to select any other option, so you can do that accordingly. So simple, we are going to upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11 by keeping all the data same and without any data loss. So we will go with this option, keep files, settings and apps as it is. Hit next. Now it will take around 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video. Now we have the final page. So ready to install. Keep install Windows 11 Enterprise. Why Enterprise? Because my Windows 10 license is Enterprise. That is the reason we are installing Windows 11 Enterprise. But in your case, if you have Windows 10 Pro, then you will get Windows 11 Pro. So keep files and data settings as it is. So we are going to click onto the install button. Let's click on it. So you can see that installation has been started. Installing Windows Server. So no need to confuse. You are installing Windows 11 25H2. So it would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm going to stop this video. Otherwise video will get longer. So once it is done, I will be back. So Windows 11 has been installed successfully. Let me show you Windows 11 25H2. So let me show you Win version. So you can see that 25H2 Windows 11 and all the data and apps are as it is. So this is the one of the safe method to install or upgrade Windows 11 25H2. Hope you like this video. Kindly forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.